Talk of the Town na sa X, ang collaboration ng SB19 at the haute couture designer Francis Libiran kasi nga ang bongga-bongga naman ng aming medium round. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching the Hiti Show. Ang tayo na talakin ng showbiz of this show. Talk of the Town na sa X, ang collaboration ng SB19 at the haute couture designer Francis Libiran kasi nga magkakaroon sila ng bonggang-bonggang fashion collaboration, ang Fast Zone, na ayon sa kanilang official press release ay 7 years anniversary special ng SB19 na Mare, pakibasa.
In celebration of SB19's 7th year anniversary and in collaboration with world-acclaimed Filipino fashion designer Francis Libiran, Fast Zone is a high-octane fashion and music experience that amplifies a premier collection of pop culture emerging as a new sonic of style in motion, beyond trend, beyond sound. Welcome to the Fast Zone.
And it's going to be happening on October 26, 2025 at the Araneta Coliseum. So ito na nga, di ba? Ngayon pa lang, problema na ang mga 18. Kasi nga, nung ang Philippine Arena concert in 7 hours, yung 55,000 venue, naubos agad ang ticket.
Yeah.
Ito, 18,000 lang ang SRO capacity ng Araneta. So puksa lang naman daw to sa pagbibili ng ticket. Tapos number 2, may audience talaga si Francis Libiran.
Oo.
May sarili siyang crowd. Natiyak, lahat ng super VIP, kung meron, at very, very VIP, if there is such a thing, nasa kanila na. Diba? First dibs sila. Sila ang mamamakyaw. At ang bongga dito, there's going to be a 150-piece collection of fashion created by Francis Libiran. At I'm sure magpe-perform ang SB19 at I'm sure ang mga music nila ay gagamitin sa nasabing fashion extravaganza na anniversary rin nila. So, I really hope magkaroon kami ng pagkakataon ni kumaring Ultra Maldita na mapanood to dahil alam mo naman,
I don't like.
kasi ako gusto ko yung mga fashion show. Diba? Dahil nakakatuwang panood. Saka, Francis Libiran is Francis Libiran.
Yeah.
He has dressed some of the A-listers in Hollywood. He has dressed some of the richest women for their weddings. And talagang, ang maganda sa kanya, even our Olympians, siya ang nagdadamit. Pag lumalaban may magrumarampa, may parade. In the last Olympics, Francis Libiran lahat yun. Yung mga costume ng mga...
So, designer of the hour.
Oo. Or the designer of the hour. Talagang, talaga siya, bigatin. And nakakatuwa is that the boys of SB19, nakakolaborate sila. Obviously, maganda yung collaboration dahil bakit nila ito gagawin kung hindi napiplease nila each other artistically and financially.
And I think this is one of a kind, a fusion of fashion and music.
Yes.
Diba?
Oo.
Parang which only SB19 could pull off. Diba? Parang it's something new, it's something unique, and it's something to look forward to.
Yes.
Parang hindi nauubusan ng ng activity ang SB19, di ba?
Diba? Kasi sold out show lang sa Singapore. Yung Hong Kong shows nila ay pareho rin sold out.
Tsaka yung nag-perform sila sa ASAP ba yun? Yung
Waligid with Sarah.
Waligid with Sarah, di ba?
Diba? Bonggang-bongga.
Ay, talagang makakaloka, di ba?
Parang wala silang kapaguran, pero grabe ang precision, no?
Ang maganda sa kanila, everything is timed. Ganitong month, mag-launch tayo ng song. Ganitong month, may fashion activity tayo. Ganitong, di ba? May tayo, may world tour tayo. Yung paced out yung kanilang
pinag-aralan talaga.
Talagang naka-pacing yung kanilang activities, which prepare them for greatness.
Yes.
Kasi, ang daming venues to to conquer.
Oo.
And yet, na-conquer naman nila.
Nako-conquer nila. Kasi sa December, I think they will have a concert in Japan.
Oh, di ba?
Di ba? Tapos tung November naman may concert sila sa Australia. Di ba? Ano kaya naman ang gagawin sa October?
Ayan, yung kay Francis Libira.
Okay, Francis Libira tung October.
There are bigger tawag dito, bigger venues to fill. Nafi-fill up naman nila.
Oo. And I look forward kung ano talaga itsura ng runway sa Araneta.
Oo,
Di
di ba?
ba?
Parang,
Kung paano ba?
baka
Parang T-square,
T-square,
runway, or ano ba to? Parang nakabilog na runway. Kasi nga, para makita ng lahat ng tao. And ang niloloka ako, excited ako. Siyempre, in-announce na kung kailan bilihan ng tickets. Alam mo namang 18, malulupit.
There's nothing to kung talagang madatong ka at mapuwersa ka, di ba, sugod na. O kaya, let somebody, make sugod for you, di ba? Rich ka naman di ba? Ganun na lang yun. Tsaka, parang sila lang yung ganun. No?
True.
Na, na pop group na male, sila lang talaga yung ganun na sold out in
a few
hours lang, di ba? Parang, that is phenomenal.
And I also like the fact that they are living proofs that dreams do come true. Basta you put your passion, you put your hard work, blood, sweat, and tears. And at the same time, timing at swerte.
Hindi, may isa pa, strategy.
Yes. Mahusay marketing team nila. No?
Hindi, when they come out, whether it's stage, whether it's television, whether it's music video, they present something new. Kaya hindi yung audience hindi nagsasawa.
Lalo
diba?
curious, lalo parang I want some more.
Parang what will they do next? Kasi na ano na nila ito nagawa na nila to That makes them very interesting personalities, di ba? Kasi merong parang si Madonna.
Yes.
Si Madonna ganun
Mother of reinvention.
Di ba? Ay! Ginawa ang Material Girl, di ba? Ay! Tapos ginawa ang Vogue, di ba? Ay! Di ba? Di ba? There's something to look forward to. Di ba? Everything that she comes out on music video. Parang ganun yon. Ito naman, everything they come out on different avenues.
Well, ngayon pa lang, congratulations na sa SB19 at kay Ginoong Francis Libiran. Ako, I look forward talaga kung ano yung mga outfit na isusuot ng SB19 na gawa ni Francis Libiran.
At saka hindi, pagka popularize ng SB19, syempre, ang daming fans.
At ang daming bibili.
Edi how much would it cost them, di ba? Francis Libiran yon.
So, dapat Sir Francis, magkaroon ka ng
At saka hindi, dapat yon. Rarampa sila, di ba? Dapat may mini museum. Di ba?
I'm sure magkakaroon yan.
Ito yung winner namin. Di ba? Kailangan pa lang may ano na sila Kasi, parang wala pang museum ng isang pop.
Meron na sila yung simula at wakas sa Gateway. Parang parang mini museum.
Kaya nga parang i-add nila yon kasi achievement yun Pero mo pasok mo ang fashion, you being a singer, di ba? Parang, di ba?
Saka Francis Libiran.
Francis Libiran, world renowned.
Sir Francis.
Ay!
Naman. Bigyan nyo kami kumarang ultra maldito.
Ay, di ba Francis Libiran yung mo? Charot! What are you wearing? Charot!
This time, I cannot say kasi this is an off-the-rack brand.
Yung tara?
Off-the-rack
talaga?
Hindi naman to Francis Libiran. Huwag na natin pangalanan. Yung pinagbilan ko nito dahil baka mamaya kunin tayong model.
Oh my God!
But ako, kilig lang ako na we have this boy band who's reaching greater heights talaga. So congratulations, John Paulo Nase. Congratulations, Josh Callen Santos, Jacqueline De Dios, Stel Ahero, and Ken Suson. Ako, looking forward ako talaga na mapanood ang fashion show. At talagang iniisip ko pa lang, ano kayang mangyari kung yung nirampang show, mga damit, ma-sold out din.
Di naman sold out yun.
Di ba ang bongga? Sold out na ang tickets, masosold yung after the show, ubus yung damit.
At saka parang, is this the first time?
parang,
na isang banda, isang pop group, ang mag-endorse. Parang sort of endorsement to, di ba?
Yes.
Oo, di
It's
ba?
almost like an endorsement deal.
Kasi usually, di ba, pagka-fashion, di ba, celebrity
supermodels
na,
lang, celebrities.
supermodel celebrity. Pero ito, ibang leveling.
Oo, saka I'm sure may mga celebrities na nararampa doon kasi
But it's it's a SB19
it's
thing.
an SB19 thing.
Mm-mm.
Parang feeling ko, mas marami silang pagkakataon na rumampa.
Mm-mm.
Tas suot ang ibang outfits which precedes a song or before whatsoever. That is something we can look forward to ngayong October 26. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with Miss Kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching The Kitty Show, ang tayo na talakayan showbiz edition.